Yo, what up? It's David again. It's Christmas time, and I'm here at work, and I'm bored. It's Christmas Eve. I'm gonna make a video for you. I feel like every time I have like these chill lo-fi beats going, I want to rap, and I'm like a really bad rapper. I cannot rap at all, but like the lo-fi hip hop just makes you want to rap so bad. Hope everybody's having a great holiday. It's just slow in this store today, and it's me, man in the fort, here at AT&T. So I'm gonna make a video for you. I'd like to start going live, but I never know when I'm gonna have a customer pop in, and I'm really trying to keep these videos under 10 minutes. So today, we're going to be talking about how Bitcoin faces short-term uncertainty as exchange inflows surge and Tether liquidity drops. Bitcoin has recently experienced mixed market movements, with analysis closely monitoring on-chain data to understand the short-term trajectory and leading of to understand the short-term trajectory of the leading cryptocurrency. I want you to say that 5 times fast. On-chain metrics indicate notable swift in exchange activity, with Tether, USDT, seeing a significant outflows, while BTC has the inflows into exchanges remaining elevated. So, people are taking their Tether and it's becoming moved out, and they're taking their BTC from their cold wallets and putting it into exchanges, which normally indicates a selling pressure. Where selling pressure could lead to further price corrections in the short term. There we go. I just summed that up for you. Oof. Spot market trends and selling pressure signal a possible downturn, according to data shared by Crypto Quant analysis on ATT. I wonder what that is. More than 15,000 BTC have been observed moving into exchanges, a metric typically associated with the likelihood of sell-offs. Simultaneously, Tether outflows imply a reduction in liquidity within these exchanges. Here's what CryptoQuant.com says. Tether outflows and BTC inflows signal short-term weakness. Significant amount of Tether are exiting exchanges, while a large inflow of BTC has been observed entering. So those are kind of mixed signals, right? People ready to buy with their USDT, but they're also ready to sell their BTC. Historically, such movements have been linked to short-term price decline, as traders and institutional investors reposition their portfolios amid market volatility. So we got the Bitcoin exchange net flow here. They're saying, hey, a bunch of the price up here in this 108,000 range. We've moved down to the 94,000 range, and there was a lot of outflows in that area. However, on ATT noticed that while these indicators suggest short-term downside risks, there appears to be no significant macroeconomic catalyst to drive a prolonged bearish trend. I mean, there is one, and it usually happens, or it's going to happen on January 6th. Usually election time, inauguration time. That leads to a very unstable market around then. Key indicators suggest mixed signals in the Bitcoin market. Trader Oasis, another analyst, highlighted among additional metrics influencing Bitcoin's price behavior. One key observation focused on Coinbase's premium index, which failed to follow Bitcoin's upward movement during the last price surge. Oasis noted, as a result, the price retreated today, brr. We are now in a negative territory, and I expect a brink in the market for the continuation of the rise. So, all this is nice, but really, I trade volume profiles, right? Volume profiles. Where's the volume at? Is it at the high of the range, the low of the range? Am I gonna long? Am I gonna short? That's how I like to do it. Everybody has their own trading style and indicators that they follow. Noticeably, this disconnect indicates a lack of strong buying activity from US-based investors, often considered a significant driver of Bitcoin's upward momentum. The analysis also noticed that the funding rates have started to decline while the interest levels have been rising. People aren't borrowing money to buy Bitcoin. Failing funding rates coupled with rising open interest typically indicate that traders are open to more short positions. This pattern suggests bearish sentiment in the derivatives market, while traders expecting a continuation of the downward trend or, at best, a period of sideways movement. I think we're in that sideways movement or the consolidation phase. Additionally, the combination of declining funds rates and increasing open interest suggests that the market could remain in consolidation phase for a while. Yeah, I think, until spring, we're going to kind of cool off, right? We just had a big pump, and people don't realize that the pump don't last forever. When in doubt, zoom out is all I'm going to say. When in doubt, zoom out. I think the price will move sideways due to the Christmas week. Then distribution market will start. They're even saying it's going to start earlier. So, cool. Let's go ahead and look at my chart here. Basically, I got this fib range and a volume profile here. We're on the 12-hour chart. This was the high. This was the low. It looks like we're breaking through this range. I'm going to go down on a more of a local level. We'll go down to the 1 hour. Looks like we're ready to flip this area of support and move on to my next key target, which would be 103,500. I might put a notification on this area right here, and maybe I'm going to take a long position at this range right here. We're pretty much in that range. You can see that we broke the level, retested below it, we need to hold it as support on the 1 hour. So I really want the price to either hold this level and go up, or come down and retest this level and hold it as support as we move back into this range. But ideally, I think we're going to float between the 98,300 down to the 93,500. We might bounce around in here for a little while. But I'm no expert. I ain't the one. I'm not going to teach you everything about these markets. I'm learning myself. I'm just enjoying talking about crypto and learning more myself. And I really, want to get better at this YouTube channel so where I can be entertaining for you guys and provide you good quality stuff. I know I don't have a lot of viewers, but I love each and every one of you. Merry Christmas, y'all. You don't understand how much I really appreciate and love every single one of you. Peace out.